Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Anaconda 3 distribution on Windows 11 operating system. First we will download it. Go to Anaconda.com. Then click on free download. Then skip registration. Then click on download. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See here its size is 951 megabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then click on this Anaconda3.exe file. Click on it. Click on next. Select I agree the license agreement. Then select all users. Then select install for just me or all users. Okay, click on next. And this is the destination folder. Okay, if you want to change, click on browse. Otherwise, click on next and select this, select all these. Okay, click on install. See, installation completed. Click on next. Click on next. If you want to launch Anaconda Navigator, you have to select the checkbox. Getting started. I don't want launch also. So click on finish. We have successfully installed Anaconda distribution on Windows 11 operating system. Now open. Now launch the Anaconda Navigator. Go to start. All applications. See here we have the Anaconda 3. Click on drop down, then select the Anaconda Navigator. Click on it. Wait, it is initializing. See here we have the different applications. If you want to open Jupyter Notebook, just click on this launch. Wait a moment. Close this one. Now click on new, then select Python 3. Select it. Now we can rename this. Then click on rename. See, it has been renamed. Now we can run any Python commands like print. To execute, you have to click on this run button or shift enter. Both are same. If you want to print like sum of two numbers, just okay, you can run anything. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Anaconda distribution on Windows 11 operating system. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.